This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly which branch you'll update and which remote is authoritative. Fetch from origin and upstream so you have fresh refs, then switch to your feature branch. Make sure you have no uncommitted changes because they complicate merges. Once done, inspect recent commits with git log one-line graph decorate to understand divergence. This step prevents surprises. You want a clear map of how your branch differs from main so you can choose the safest merge or rebase strategy. Next, you integrate upstream changes. If the repo prefers merge, run git merge origin/main and commit the merge. If it prefers a linear history, run git rebase origin/main and follow interactive prompts. When conflicts appear, open the conflicted files, make deliberate edits, then git add each resolved file and continue with git rebase continue or commit the merge. Make sure to run tests or linters after resolving, because integration can introduce regressions even when conflicts are cleanly resolved. Finally, you publish your updated branch. If you merged, a normal git push suffices. If you rebased, use git push force with lease to update the remote safely. Once pushed, review or update the pull request so reviewers see the new commits and run CI. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Use git reflog to find the previous safe commit and git reset hard that hash to restore state. As a key troubleshooting tip, communicate with teammates before force pushing to avoid overriding shared work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.